This time, baby, I'll be a bolero. This time, baby, I'll be a bolero. This time, baby, I'll be Okay, so now we are going to start on problem 33. I will read it out. Cindy's age equals the sum of Paul's age and Sue's age. 2 years ago, Cindy will be 4 times as old as Sue was, and 2 years from now, Cindy will be 1.4 times as old as Paul will be. How old is each now? So now with what we have just read, we're going to set up our 3 equations. The first one we have is C plus, not plus, sorry for that mistake, C equals P plus S. Then the next equation that we are going to have is C minus 2, because in the second part it was 2 years ago, equaling 4 times S minus 2, so then we can get the full problem. And then our last one will be C plus 2 equals 1.4 times P plus 2. Now, we can take this first one and we can simplify this, and we can say that 4S minus 8 equals C minus 2. And then the next thing that we can do is say that C equals 4S minus 6. Now let's simplify this next one. We can say that C plus 2 equals 1.4 P plus 0 plus 2.8. Now, when we put that together, we get that C equals 1.4 P plus 0.8. Now, the next step that we're going to take is take this P plus S and turn that to equal this equation right here. So we can say that P plus S equals 4S minus 6. Now, since we have these two S's right here, we can say that P equals 3S minus 6. Okay, and now we're here. Now for this next one, we're going to also say that P plus S equals 1.4 P plus 0.8. Now, we also know that P equals 3S minus 6. So then we can say that 3S plus S equals, and then minus 6 equals 1.4 3S minus 6 plus 0.8. I'm sorry for the sloppiness right there. Now once we simplify that down, we get 4S minus 6 equals 4.2S minus 76. 7.6, I'm very sorry. And once we simplify that even more, we can get to 1.6 equals 0.2S, meaning that 8 equals S. Now once we plug this into this next equation, we can find out that P equals 18, and once we do 8 plus 18 equals C, we know that C equals 26. So now we know that Cindy is 26 years old. Paul is 18 years old. And Sue is 8 years old.